we're working collectively to deliver the best program that we can so that we feel really proud of what we're doing and we're not delivering an inferior educational experience. Collaborative design is all about meeting and working with people with where they're at, and doing it online has meant that we all really need to adopt that flexible attitude. We have content which is rich and varied, a range of overview lectures each week. Let's talk about videos which are more conversational. We have a YouTube channel which has playlists and artists and maker videos, and then we have more technical instructional video content. Students can watch the videos prior to coming to class and they're prepared before their tutorial. They can replay, pause the videos, they can get through the content at their own time and pace.
We really wanted to make it a program that would be equitable for everyone, anywhere they were in the world. It's allowed for more one-on-one consultation. There's been more space for being focused. So much good drawing comes out of having to be challenged by the environment around you.
It's not so much the outcome, it's how did you get there? That's what the Foundation Studio is interested in, and we're actually able to do it really well because students have a number of platforms with which they're engaging to show us their work, to share work.
Students have responded with still being able to make really quality moulds, still being able to make something with their hands. That's the difference between just having an idea and being an artist.
Individual tutorial boundaries are a bit more porous. That's allowed us to co-teach more, to hear other voices regularly, developing a whole lot of strategies and communication skills for digital collaboration, and that's something that we all need to do.